Today we're going to multiply radical expressions. So here is our product property of radicals. If you recall, we could take a product and split it into its two factor parts. Today we're going to start with this and work backwards. So if we had root 8, root 2, we can multiply those together to get root 16, which then comes out to be 4. 6 root 2 times 4 root 3, we multiply the coefficients and we multiply the radicands together, so it would be a 24 root 6. You always want to make sure you can't simplify this, but 6 isn't a perfect square and no perfect squares go into it, so that's as simplified as possible. Root 5 root 20, multiply those radicands together, we get root 100, which is 10. Here we have 4 root 5 times 3 root 3. I would like you guys to simplify that one. Okay, we have 6 root 3 squared, which means we have 6 root 3 times 6 root 3. This is the same as we've just done, so we need to multiply our coefficients and multiply the radicands, so we have 36 root 9. Root 9, though, is obviously 3, so it becomes 36 times 3 for an answer of 108. Okay, here we throw some variables in there. So this will be 2 root 24x squared. Then we can split 24 into root 4 root 6, and then obviously the square root of x squared. Square root of 2 is 4, or square root of 4 is 2. Square root of x squared is x, so we have 4x root 6. Here's one where we're going to have to distribute. So square root of 2 times 3 plus root 6. When you go to distribute, you have a 3 root 2 plus root 12, but 12 can have a perfect square taken out of it. So we have 3 root 2 plus root 4 root 3. Obviously, root 4 is 2, so we have 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. And I would like you guys to try this one. Root 2 times root 6 minus root 9. And finally, we have two binomials that we're multiplying together, so we're going to go ahead and have to FOIL these. So our firsts multiplied together, 8 outsides are minus 4 root 6, insides plus 2 root 9, and then minus root 54. Simplify if you can. This is obviously 3, and you can take a square root of 9 out of this, 54. So 8 minus 4 root 6 plus 2 times 3 minus root 9 root 6. Change this to a 6, root 9 to a 3. Then you can combine these root 6's and your constant, so we get 14 minus 7 root 6.